We're very grateful to you. Thank you so much. We love you very much.
We love you.
Well, we've been here before. I saw your name on a card as I came in the door. Will you deny our love again? Bad and dangerous, you're still the same. Break this glass and make a scene again. I know that's what you want, so you can write again. I always fly till you shoot me down. Stuck and only lost, find another round. Caroline, you can go your own way, but my face will follow you down and fill your dreams. Stars can keep your secrets. I don't want to owe them anything, so I will draw the line. Draw the line. Oh, Caroline. Years we secretly been dreaming, but the words you write have lost all of them. Times. Draw the line. Draw the line. Fucking beautiful. Thank you so much.